Welcome back to the channel. So I want to share with you a company that is relatively value over billions of dollars, and yet still this company is trending on the bottom side. Lost over 8% in a week, down approximately the company lost $1.3 billion in market cap this week and down 8% in value. So what could have contributed to this? And of course, I'm talking about the stock that I'm showing on my screen right now. Ticker symbol is OKTA Octa. So if you don't know this company, please do your research. But I want to bring to you, before we do anything else, I'll go further in this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned. So we can see that this company was trending to an average of $123, as you can see right here, and now trading currently $91.56. And can we see lows of $75? Definitely yes, based on the trend that this company is currently bringing. We can see that revenue versus earnings is significantly up. You can see that they have been beating earnings for the last three consecutive months, where earnings is concerned. They have, for the last three consecutive quarter, they have beaten earnings, but unfortunately, the company is failing to thrive right now. So revenue estimate for this year, where we're looking at 25, we're looking at 723.11 million dollars, and current year we're looking at 2.86 billion dollars, where they lost in 1 week again 1.3 billion dollar in market cap. So that's something that we want to take into perspective with Okta. Let's go over and break down the stock just a little bit and see some of the statistics on the stock. The market cap for this company is valued at 16.53 billion dollars. This is how much Okta is valued. It's a great company. We can see that, and we saw that the price for sale is not relatively strong as we want it to be, but it is screaming a buy right now. Why I say that? Let's go over and look at the chart. Let's look at this setup. We can see that the stock pushed up but beat earnings for the last consecutive 3 quarters. But because of the guidance for this year, the stock took a hit on earnings and then continued, was consolidating, but failed to progress on the upward, even though NASDAQ, let's go over to NASDAQ, because we all know that Okta is on the NASDAQ because it's a software company. NASDAQ thrive to an all-time high every single day this week. NASDAQ is making an all-time high. You can see this. Even when the president go ahead and initiate another 35% tariffs on his best country, his next door neighbor, should say, nothing really happened. The market failed to, to continue to pull back, but what it does is strive even harder. Nvidia went to a new all-time high today, again because Nasdaq is right there backing it. So the market, doesn't matter what you say right now, the market is just on a bull run and nothing can stop it. Are we super overbought? Definitely not. We can see at the RSI we're not super overbought. MACD, we're not super overbought. We still have room to grow. But where Okta is concerned, are we super oversold? Definitely yes, we're super oversold where Okta is concerned. You can see that we enter the super oversold territory today, and that brings us to a bearish sign on the stock, where you can see that each time it entered this super oversold value, it take a turn and push up. Let's go over to history. That happened before. We see that last time this stock hit $87, what happened? It pushed up, didn't consolidate, immediately reversed, pushed up, got rejected, and pushed up, got rejected right here where it was selling previously at $91. And this is why I drew this line. And what it did, pushed up, take off, and make a new all-time high. So I was watching this stock and waiting for a consolidation, which is we had that consolidation period. So there was two action from here. Is either we continue to go sideways for a period of time, like UNH are doing right now, and then we push upwards, but that never happened. what we did where we enter a bearish turn and we come down more, even when the market is still at an all-time high. That doesn't make sense to me. And now that we're in a bearish sentiment, what can happen from here is either the stock can go back to $87 a share or even enter the $70 a share territory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter a line right here just to inform me and keep me in trend, because this will be my number one stock to trade for the rest of the year. Why? This stock is super oversold, and two, that it's a great company with a well, I will say surprising extra market cap, which draw a lot of attention. But guess what? This stock have no volume in it, and sooner or later when it take off, I want to make sure that I'm in it because the upside is ridiculous. We're looking at a 50 to 60% upside when it do so. So would I buy this now? Definitely not, because guess what? It's a falling knife. It did not meet my criteria of pushing forward. What it did, it took a turn to continue to sell off. So it's something that I'm going to be watching as the market trade either upward or sideways with all the tariffs that are in place right now. So I just wanted to break down Okta for you to show you what's going on and how can we profit from a stock like this. But until then, like and subscribe and stay tuned. And if there's anything else you'd like me to break down for you, please feel free to comment and let me know under the comment section, and then definitely I'll break down stock for you. But for today, I'll come to a close with Okta, and then I'll update you in regards. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned.